So, hey, my name is Gerald. What's your name?
Gaby.
So, we're going to be unboxing Transformers. We got this for Christmas, and now we're going to be opening it. Let's get into it. Let's see, where should we open it? Up top.
There.
At the top.
No.
Got the scissors before we
It's a
start.
yard. Climb up. Climb up.
Got that
I
one out.
can reach all the way up here.
Right,
Up
now
a
we're
yard.
gonna take that
Up a yard.
one. We're just gonna cut it open. Oh, yeah, so here, just get a closer view. We're cutting the back. Oh, we just opened it up. Alright, so here we're gonna be taking it out. The Transformer. Yeah, the box of it. Take it out.
I don't know how to walk. I want to join that.
It was fun.
I was doing that. But you need to join.
Gabriel!
No, you can't. Don't. No.
Struggling a bit. Come on.
No. It's like
The screens are black.
Ring, 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 ring. Ah!
So you got it out. Take the box out.
Take the ugly out.
Yes. Wait, only get the scissors. The Transformer. Take the box out. And here it is. Scissors. Ready?
Ta-da! Show me. Show me. Ooh, I can make glider. Ooh, I can make
That's just gonna-
glider. Wait, that's his thing, Dad.
Stuck to the box. And here, yeah.
What's that, Dad?
Here that looks like
A ship.
a jet. Just get a closer view. Like you're making it. Oh, shit. One side.
Right.
Yeah, look at that. Get one look. And look at this necklace of that. Well, my dad's. We gotta do that one.
I can make fly.
Here's. Yeah. Seen the jet?
Yeah, I've seen it before. Optimus Prime.
And here's Optimus Prize.
Here he, and we can play with them all day, but we had to.
So now,
I can. I will keep this picture, Kuya. Can I keep it?
here, look
Kuya,
at it.
can I keep this picture?
There.
This
And
one?
that's
Can I keep it?
and that's it for
So can I
us,
keep?
guys.
And don't forget our new picture, and it's been seen for a year, but it's new. So can I keep it?
Yeah.
Yay! Dad, Chris, I can keep it. Oh, play it.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Oh, bye.